Hello everyone and welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here then hello and welcome. My name is Emily and I do makeup videos using cruelty-free makeup, fashion videos, lifestyle videos, food videos. I love a bit of variety, so if that sounds like something you might like, make sure you subscribe. This year I am doing 24 tutorials in the month of December. So if you miss tutorials on YouTube and you're constantly thinking, why did tutorials die? Subscribe, because I'm giving you lots. But today's video is obviously going to be a tutorial on this really simple Halloween look. I wanted it to be super simple so that anyone could do it. It's really easy and it doesn't take a lot of skill, but it looks really effective. So yeah, if that sounds like something you might like to see how to do, make sure you carry on watching, like the video, subscribe down below, and let's get on with the tutorial on this look. So I know for a fact that I did this tutorial last year, but I've gained quite a lot of subscribers since last year and it's still just a great tutorial. I didn't actually get inspired by anyone last year. I thought it up and then I saw that like a million of people had done the same thing, so I thought about it, but then I realised that a lot of other people are doing it, so it's not a new concept. I don't know who the first person who did it was, but yeah. So I'm starting as always by priming my lids. Whether you use concealer or P. Louise base for this or any other eye base you may have, you need to always prep your lids to help just have the best opportunity to, you know, get pigment and just for everything to lay nice. So I'm just starting this with my usual technique of eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with, you can go in with any colour you want. You can go in with red, you can go in with neutral colours. I'm going to go in with neutral colours just because it's easiest, but you can use reds or whatever. So I'm going to start, actually I might do reds. So you can use browns or whatever, like a nice brown red warm colour like this. Perfect to start with. But I am actually going to do red. I've just decided this right here, right now. I'm going to use this bright red colour here. And I'm just going to start by my usual technique, just packing this through the crease. And I'm going for like a full cut crease kind of look, so I'm going to wing this out again. And as always, look straight forwards and see if you can see all the red above your crease. If you can, then that means you'll just be fine. Like at any angle you'll be able to see your eyeshadow, especially if you've got hooded eyes. This is a great tip. I say this in all my videos, but in case you are new to my channel, if you look straight ahead and you can still see the shadow above your crease, then you'll be good. If not, just bring it a bit higher until you can see it. And then just taking like a more precise blending brush, and I'm mixing the white and the red on the brush, and I'm just going to start going over the very edges. I don't want to blend this up too high, obviously, because I want the main focus to be on the cut crease bit, but if you just start blending in little tiny circles, it'll start to blend out if you mix a bit of the red, a bit of the white. So now I'm just taking some base on the back of my hand and on a concealer brush, I'm just going to go ahead and treat this like a very normal cut crease. And again, you want to cut above the normal crease. And just blend this edge out with your beauty blender. I'm just going to set the lid portion with a white colour. So now that I've got both of my creases cut and the lid is set with a white shade, you could use like just a skin colour shade, whatever you want, just so that the base doesn't crease basically and that all of this lid space is set. I'm going to go in with two blood products. So you could use like an Eye Safe liquid lipstick or anything like that. I wouldn't, this is not me like saying use fake blood around the eyes, because obviously if you've got sensitive eyes it's not really designed to go near the eyes, but I'm just going to do it for this video because it's my face. But just a warning, check it's eye safe, you know, use at your own risk, all of that disclaimer. So I'm actually just going to go in with the normal fake blood, and hopefully this works, because if this doesn't work then my whole idea is ruined. I'm just gonna kind of just blob it through the cut crease. I'm really sad that the scab doesn't work, because that worked really well last year. But yeah, that's the kind of idea. I'm going to put some mascara and lashes on and show you what it looks like finished. Okay, so as you can see, it's like a really effective look, but it just is so easy and so simple. It's literally a couple of eyeshadows. Your cut crease doesn't have to be precise because you're going to mess it up with a load of blood anyway. And I'm just going to top the look off with a lip liner. I'm just going to use a nude lip liner. This is NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Soft Spoken. So yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like my tutorials, then don't go away anywhere. This year I'm doing 24 tutorials on my channel for Christmas, so if you like tutorials, if you miss tutorials on YouTube, then make sure you subscribe down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know any other videos you'd like to see before December, and yeah, I'll see you again soon.